Hello! In this lecture we are going to learn how to filter our data in base R using subsets. I'm going to use the same CSV file, demographic CSV, that contains information about a group of car owners. I have already created a new data frame, demo, based on this file. You may remember it from the previous lecture. A new data frame, demo2, will be created each time we run a filtering operation. Let's suppose that we want to keep the married subjects only, so we will use one filter variable. The function subset looks this way. So first we have to specify the data frame we want to filter, in our case it's demo, and then our filtering condition after a comma. So the variable marital, which has two categories, married and unmarried, has to be equal with married. Please don't forget to put two equals here because it's a conditional equality. Okay, so this will keep only the married subjects. Let's verify. Control Enter. And now let's see our new data frame demo2. As you notice here in the column marital, only the married subjects are in this data frame. Okay, now let's suppose that we are interested in the married subjects aged over 35. So we are going to use two filter variables this time. The subset function looks the same. So first we specify the data frame, demo, and then our filtering conditions. Marital must be equal with married, and age must be greater than 35. And of course we use the ampersand sign here. Let's see what happens. Run and view the new data frame demo2. As you can see here in these two columns, only the married people were retained, and all of them have the age over 35 as we requested. Now, if you want to keep only the first three variables with the same conditions, with the same filtering criteria. So we want to keep only the variables age, marital status, and income. How do we proceed? After specifying the data frame demo and the conditions, marital equal to married and age greater than 35, we use the select function in order to specify what columns, what variables do we need. And here we write select equal to the function C, concatenate, and here we specify the columns 1, 2, and 3. Let's run that. Let's view the data frame. As you see, only the first three columns were kept in our new data frame demo2. And finally, if you want to drop some variables, for example, drop the variables 4, 5, 6, and 8. That means education, car price, car category, and retired. In the same way, after specifying in the subset function the data frame and the conditions, the filtering conditions, marital equal to married and age over 35, you use the same select function, and here before the concatenate function you put a negative because you want to drop to remove these variables. So what variables you want to drop? 4 to 6 and 8. Let's run it. Now our new variable demo2 looks like this. Only the married subjects over 35 years were kept, and only the variables age, marital income, and gender are in this new data frame as we requested. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.